Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about process flow diagram PFD. Process flow diagram, also known as process mapping flow diagram. Process flow diagram is a visual representation of process steps and sequence. So PFD gives visual information of process steps as well as sequence of these steps. This image shows a service process flow diagram from receipt of order till mailing the bill. PFD can be used to describe various processes such as manufacturing process or service process or a project plan also. For a family of part, one PFD can work if part conforms to the family. So if you have many parts which have the same process, so you can make one PFD for all these parts. Here are some basic symbol to represent different steps or operation in a process. A circle represents an operation. An operation means where value is being added. A rectangle means inspection is being done. It means something is being checked over the part or operation. A circle within a rectangle shows operation and inspection process are going at the same time. Arrow mark shows transportation. Upward triangle shows storage of raw material. Downward triangle shows storage of finished goods. D shows a delay in a process. This diamond shape is used for the decision. So after every inspection, decision is being done. This shape shows start or end of the process. And this symbol shows the documentation in the process. We will do one exercise on PFD. By using these 5 basic symbols, we will develop a PFD for the given process. This process starts from raw material receiving till packaging, storage and dispatch. Each and every operation we have given a number. So it is from 10 to 70. In OP10, raw material is being received and inspection is being done. So the first operation is inspection. After inspection, decision is being done. We are considering only OK decision in this case. After OK decision or go decisions, the material is being stored into the store. Now the material transportation is being done from store to VMC machining station. The VMC operation is being done. The value is being added here. After machining operation, inspection is being done. After inspection, a decision is being taken. And then the similar set of operation is being done in OP30. Similar set of operation is being done in OP40 also. Now material is being transported from machining line to paint shop. Here the operation of painting is being done. After painting, the part is going for the final inspection. After final inspection, all the OK parts are being stored as FG. And finally the parts are being transported to the customer. This is one of the sample PFD for your reference. Here in this PFD, basic detail about customer name, part number, revision number, CFT team, process responsibility, document number, PFT number, original date and revision date are being noted in the title block as shown here. Operation number is coming here. The description of operation will come here. Incoming source of variation. Incoming source of variation is the variation from the previous process. Those can impact the current process. However, it is assumed that the inputs to the current process are okay. incoming source of variation gives an idea about received inspection parameters. So it is just a glimpse of PFME of the previous process. Okay, so whatever input you need for the incoming inspections is coming here. Then you can see basic 5 symbols are here, and we have to give a flow here as we did in our exercise. Then in this column, machine and equipment number are being mentioned, which machines and specification of machine has to be mentioned here. Then process parameters are being shown here, and along with the process parameters, the criticality class is being mentioned here for the process parameter, and similarly for the product parameter for this operation. This is all in this video. In next video we will discuss more about PFD. For such type of videos, please subscribe my channel, please follow me, please connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you very much.